Good afternoon, everyone. This is Prerak Sharma. As you all know, that I upload videos on YouTube. Without wasting much time, I'll directly delve into today's topic: what causes anxiety. Why this topic? Because I had an interview today. Although I'm pretty much confident in myself, but I was anxious, and there are some things that I observed about anxiety. Like this, currently at this moment when I'm speaking in English, my thoughts have to process first. If I continuously keep on saying, my words will probably not make sense. Why does this happen? Let's try to figure out. So let me bring my pen out here first. This is me. Let's say this is me. This is me, okay? See, right now, when I'm talking in English, there are two scenarios. Let's see what those scenarios are. This is Prerak. The two scenarios that we have will be one scenario when I speak in Hindi and another scenario when I speak in English. What happens is, जब मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ ना, I have a lot of time to process. I have a lot of time to process. Let's say मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ और मुझे कुछ बात करनी है और मैं हिंदी का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. मेरे पास एक तो मेरे पास नॉलेज है. आई नो दिस लैंग्वेज वेरी वेल. आई नो दिस लैंग्वेज वेरी वेल. मैं बचपन से ही बोलता आ रहा हूँ, तो मेरे पास वो एडवांटेज है. प्लस जो मेरे थॉट्स प्रोसेस हो रहे हैं, मेरे थॉट्स हिंदी में प्रोसेस हो रहे हैं. प्लस दिस टोन जो अभी आई, दिस टोन केम बिकॉज आई एम प्रोफिशिएंट इन हिंदी. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि लाइक आई मेंशनड हियर, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्रोसेस. I don't have a lot of time to process. When we are talking, the thing which I do the least is think. If I'm speaking, I cannot think. I have to think first and then speak. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. अगर सोचने की ज़रूरत पड़ भी रही है तो मेरा प्रोसेस इतना फास्ट हो चुका है कि मैं सोचते सोचते साथ में बोल पा रहा हूँ. जो मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ ये मैं ऑलरेडी सोच चुका हूँ. बट when it comes to English, this doesn't happen. अब इंग्लिश का क्या सीन है? I know this language very well. I've been reading, writing, and speaking English since my childhood. I was in a good school. I have done many dramas. I have done many speeches. I know this language very well. I also have a lot of time to process. But here comes the fact: my thinking language is not English. I was born and raised in a family, or let's say in an environment where we speak Hindi the most. Okay, so Hindi becomes the language that comes directly into my head. All my thought processing happens in Hindi. But when it comes to speaking in English, I go blank. Like right now, I just go blank. Why does this happen? I believe because I don't have much practice in this. I'm 21 years old, right? So I have 21 years of experience in this. Not if not 21. Yeah, when I was, yeah, you can say that when I was small, I didn't know how to speak Hindi, but I knew what words meant what because I was communicated with in Hindi. So 21 years of experience. It has been 21 years since I am proficient with Hindi. But if I consider English, I started studying English during my starting from my KG, right? So if we consider whole 14 years of school, 12 years, yeah, 12 years of high school education and 3 years of college education plus 2 more years, 15, 16 years, 16 years. And that too, in these 16 years I was not speaking English all the time. I was only speaking if there was a test upcoming, if my teacher said me to say, or if I was preparing from for a drama. So I didn't have enough time to develop my mindset in such a way that I could speak English in a fluent manner. So what happens is, when a topic is given, see, today was my interview, okay? I although have given many interviews in the past and they went pretty well. Today's interview was not that well. I believe because I was not able to think what the situation needed and how to express the thoughts that were coming in my mind in English. Why? Because I'm unaware of this. This environment or situation that I was in was unfamiliar. I was unfamiliar. So this unfamiliarity caused anxiety. Fami Familiarity. Please don't mind the spellings, okay? Unfamiliarity causes anxiety. When I'm unaware about a thing, right? So it will, unknown environment will cause anxiety. That environment was new for me. I was unfamiliar with what was happening there. Although I was familiar what happens in an interview, but the question that were asked to me and the very less time that I had, and to also make sure my image goes well in their eyes, it was a very unfamiliar situation with me, and that caused anxiety. And what happens during anxiety is processing stops, thought process gets stopped. See, if this is a person brain, person stops thought processing. And when I cannot process those thoughts, how can I speak from here? I can only speak if something is happening up there in my mind. If nothing is happening up there, how will I be able to speak? Like currently, right now, I'm also falling out of words sometimes. But अगर मैं यही conversation हिंदी में continue करूँ, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली। आई एम प्रोफिशिएंट इन हिंदी, मुझे कोई एंग्जाइटी नहीं होने वाली। मुझे पता है कि मैं जो भी बात कहूँगा वो मेरे माइंड में जो थॉट्स आ रहे हैं मैं उन्हीं के रिलेटेड कहूँगा। कोई न्यू बात तो मैं कह नहीं रहा हूँ। ऑलरेडी आई नो मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, मुझे उसको कन्वे करना अच्छे से आता है। एंड मैं कुछ भी बात कर सकता हूँ। जैसे एंग्जाइटी की अगर बात हो रही है, एंग्जाइटी क्यों होती है? क्यों? क्योंकि मैं एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में हूँ जहाँ पे मैं प्रोसेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। मैं कंफ्यूज हो चुका हूँ। मेरे लिए ये अननोन इन्वायरमेंट है। अगर मुझे अभी इंग्लिश बोलने वाले लोगों के बीच डाल दिया जाए एंड दे स्टार्ट जजिंग मी, तो मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं होंगे। मैं थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो मैं आगे बोल नहीं पाऊंगा। दिस कॉजेज एंग्जाइटी because I'm fearing. I have the fear of judgment. People will judge me based on what I say. The words that come out of my mouth, words that come out of my mouth tell people about my personality. This is what's at stake. Personality. I get judged for what I speak, how I speak, and what words am I using. So this इतना सब कुछ स्टेक पे है। आपने अभी कंसिडर किया, अगर मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, लेट्स से इस वीडियो में 1000 2000 3000 व्यूज आ जाएं, पीपल विल जज मी कि ये क्या बोल रहा है, ही डजंट नो व्हाट टू स्पीक, ही कैन नॉट इवन प्रोसेस हिज थॉट्स। सी, इट कॉजेज एंग्जाइटी कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे। एंड वी आर ऑपरेटिंग इन अ वर्ल्ड where we have to present, where we have to speak. To speak, first of all, our mind needs to have thoughts that are updated, that can intimidate the other person. And the first thing was having thoughts. Thoughts should be up to date. Thoughts should be up to date. ये बात होगी माइंड की, ठीक है? ये तो सीन है माइंड का. Let's say this is our brain, okay? Thought should be up to date. But सेकंड चीज़ क्या आती है कि मैं बोल क्या रहा हूँ. माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. क्यों? Why this? Because whatever I am thinking has to be conveyed out. How will that be conveyed out? Through my mouth. These two things are the most important. These both go hand in hand. How? Let's explain. Let's say if मेरे पास thought process है, ठीक है, I have good thoughts, then only I will be able to communicate those properly. अगर मेरे माइंड में ही confusion चल रही है तो मैं आप लोगों को ये बातें नहीं बता पाऊंगा. अगर मैं बता पाऊंगा भी तो आप लोगों को ये कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला, ठीक है? प्लस if I only speak and my content is not of that much value, तो anyways वो matter नहीं करता. I'm just yapping to myself, and yapping has no inherent value. So these two go hand in hand. And to avoid anxiety, we have to focus on both of these aspects. We cannot just focus on one and be okay. So, first of all, our thoughts have to be up to date. How can we do this? By reading a lot. Okay? By reading. Writing also helps. Staying up to date, news, podcasts, books. Basically, the essence of it is information. More the information that I'll have, the better thoughts I can process. Information. So the essence is information. Information कहाँ से बढ़ेगी मेरी? रीडिंग से, राइटिंग से, न्यूज़ पढ़ के, पॉडकास्ट देख के, बुक्स पढ़ के. And how will I improve my communication skills? Communication skills can be improved. देखो, थॉट प्रोसेस कैसे इंक्रीज होगा? सोच के. सोचा कैसे जाएगा? लिख के, पढ़ के, बुक्स पढ़ के, पॉडकास्ट सुन के, ठीक है? बोला कैसे जाएगा? हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट बेटर? बाय टॉकिंग. There is no other alternative. If I have to speak better in English, I have to daily speak in English. I have to communicate in English. So how will that be improved? By daily speaking. Daily speaking in English. Having a circle where people think in English. अगर ये होगा तभी मेरी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हो पाएगी. Okay, that is the reason why in this YouTube channel I prefer, although I'm not that proficient in English, but still I try my best to speak in English, because in future I'll have to stick with English. There is no alternative. I cannot fall back from it. And the reason why my interview didn't go well today, it wasn't that crappy, but yeah, it didn't go that well today because I wasn't able to process my thoughts in English, and the thought process and the communication gap, the gap between these two was very large. So if the gap in thinking and gap in speaking is more, people will think that this person is stupid, and you don't want people to think that. So how can that be improved? Only by practice. Anxiety can only be improved if we get, see, the root cause of anxiety was what? Unfamiliarity with concept, unfamiliarity with situation. So how can that be improved? If we get, only and only if we get familiar with things. Familiarity. I don't care about the spelling, you guys can figure out. Familiarity will equal to no anxiety. There is no alternative, though no other alternative. You have to know about everything. And how can this be done? This can only be done through hard work, through work. No alternative to work. You cannot run away from this. You have to work. No alternatives. See, okay. So the what was the main question? What causes anxiety? Unfamiliarity with the environment causes anxiety. How can that be improved? There are two things, right? First of all, our brain, the thoughts which are inside there, and the second thing was our communication skills. Those thoughts which are processing in my mind have to be conveyed out, that can only come out through my mouth. How, if we increase the familiarity with all the things around us, we'll be able to process easily, and if the thinking process is easy, we'll be able to communicate better. How to do that? Keep information updated so that the mind is fresh and everything seems familiar, because the major essence will always be familiarity. Okay. How can I be familiar with things? By reading, writing, new, being aware with the news, studying podcasts, and reading books. And how can I get better with communication skills? By talking daily, by speaking in English, having a circle of people who speak in English. Okay, these are the only things that can improve my anxiety. If I am familiar, if I am calm, then anxiety cannot bother me. So only familiarity can improve anxiety, and the only way to fix this thing is work by efforts. You cannot run away from it. So that was from my side. I hope it added value. I make sure to not waste any second of your time, and the quality of videos will also improve by each passing day. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and comment whatever you felt valuable, or whatever more changes can be made. You can screenshot this if you want. I'll also attach a document of this picture if you want this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.